If you want to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 on your smart TV, honestly, this will probably be the best way to experience the tournament. Because in 2026, most smart TVs now support streaming apps 4K football live sports and official World Cup coverage without needing traditional cable boxes. So in this video, I'll show you how to watch the World Cup 2026 on smart TVs step by step, including Samsung TVs, LG TVs, Android TVs, Google TV, Roku TVs, Fire TV, and other major brands. First, the most important thing, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet, because honestly, almost every World Cup streaming app requires Wi-Fi or wired internet for live matches. Now, once your TV is connected, open your TV's app store. For example, Samsung TVs use Samsung Smart Hub, LG TVs use .lg Content Store, Android TV and Google TV use Google Play Store. Roku TVs use Roku Channel Store, and Fire TV uses Amazon App Store. Now the first app you should install FIFA Plus, because FIFA Plus is FIFA's official football platform. And honestly, it's one of the best free apps for highlights, replays, interviews, documentaries, and official World Cup coverage. Simply search FIFA Plus, install the app, sign in with a free account, and open the World Cup section. Now another huge option, Tubi, because Tubi launched a special FIFA World Cup Fox hub for the tournament. And honestly, this became one of the biggest free streaming options available in the United States. Inside Tubi, you may find selected live matches, highlights, replays, World Cup shows, and football content completely free depending on your region. Now let's talk about official broadcasters, because honestly, this depends on your country. Many broadcasters now have smart TV apps. For example, Fox Sports, Telemundo, BBC, iPlayer, ITVX, and other regional sports apps depending on where you live. And honestly, many of them stream matches directly through smart TVs. Now another huge thing, 4K streaming, because many newer smart TVs support Ultra HD, HDR, and high frame rate sports streams. And honestly, the World Cup looks amazing on modern TVs, especially for stadium views, replays, and big matches. Now let's talk about older TVs, because not everyone has a brand new smart TV. If your TV doesn't support certain apps, you can still use Fire TV Stick, Roku Chromecast, Apple TV, or gaming consoles to access World Cup streaming platforms. And honestly, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Now another useful feature, casting from your phone, because apps like FIFA Plus, YouTube, and some broadcaster apps allow you to cast content directly from iPhone, Android tablets to your smart TV. And honestly, this is very useful if an app isn't available directly on your television. Now, another important thing, internet speed, because live sports need stable connections, especially for HD 4K and live streaming. So if your stream keeps buffering, try faster Wi-Fi Ethernet connection or moving closer to the router. Now let's talk about YouTube, because during the World Cup, YouTube will be full of highlights, goals, reactions, interviews, and official FIFA content. And honestly, many smart TVs already have YouTube installed by default. Now something very important. Avoid fake streaming apps, because during huge tournaments, many unofficial apps appear claiming free World Cup live streams. But honestly, many contain malware, fake ads, broken streams, or scam links. So stick to FIFA Plus official broadcasters, YouTube, and trusted streaming services. Now, let's be honest for a second, watching football on smart TVs in 2026 is way easier than it used to be, because now you can access live matches, highlights, replays, and official coverage directly from your television without complicated setups. So to wrap this up, to watch the World Cup 2026 on smart TV, you basically need to connect your TV to the internet, install FIFA Plus, download official broadcaster apps available in your country, use Tubi if it's supported in your region, and enjoy the tournament directly on your TV, because honestly, the World Cup 2026 is going to look incredible on modern smart TVs.